I've been to a lot of trade shows all over the nation and actually have been pretty blown away with the amount of vendors and the amount of sessions that are going on. There's so many valuable things that I've gotten in the last 3 days.
I really enjoy the mission of SYNKD about building collaboration among the trades industry, construction and maintenance and design. I heard a lot of reviews and I had a lot of people that recommended that I come, and I'm glad I did.
The show's been great. I think the quality of the leads has been fantastic. We met a couple pool builders yesterday, a couple landscape architects. Definitely wanted to come here and dip our toes in the water and kind of get a feel for what people are seeing, what people are needing, and see if we're able to service this market as needed.
I've been to different trade shows and I've never been to one where I've really been able to communicate and socialize with other vendors. You know, it just feels a little more intimate, a little bit more free in terms of communication.
I think there's a lot of trade shows out there that provide sort of inspiration, but not the sort of practical tools that are necessary to sort of take your business to the next level. And I found that incredibly valuable, and I think that's pretty unique to this conference, and it's been great.
I think the youth and the enthusiasm and the energy to change and evolve, it has been on full display this week. I see a lot of potential in the room, and I know it'll continue to grow for the future.
You know, getting to meet a lot of the young entrepreneurs here is very encouraging that they have events like this that they can come to, and they're really learning a lot about the business, and they're accelerating much quicker than they would have done 30 or 40 years ago, where they're taking a business and are growing it into a $2-3 million business literally within a year or two.
I would recommend SYNKD Live if you want to get better as a business owner. There's always people smarter than you, and you can never stop learning.